Hey guys, it's me again. I want to tell you about some things you may or may not have heard from other people regarding digital marketing and benefits thereof, or if you would even entertain the idea of getting into it, right? So to start off with, you don't have any products that you have to deal with. You just promote something, but it's not a product you have. And you're looking at like a, 1 to 3 hour workday. Way better than that 9 to 5, right? But sometimes you have to keep that 9 to 5 going until you've got this going. But still, when you're doubling the income that you're making at your 9 to 5, you're still working that 1 to 3 hour workday. That part's cool. You don't need any experience. You could figure this out. And at the same time, like I said, you're figuring this out. You can earn while you're learning. And with digital marketing, your time's kind of your own. And by that, I mean, you can do whatever you want, whenever you want, wherever you want. So the flexibility is there. You don't have somebody telling you what you got to do and what needs to be done, because you already know. And you just do it. And you do this by following a step-by-step process. And if you decide to join any particular digital marketing program, affiliate marketing program, or an online business, doesn't matter. If there's not a step-by-step process set up for you, maybe you ought to look someplace else, because there's a lot of them out there. Oh, and by the way, to get into digital marketing, probably costs less than a dinner for two out on a Saturday night. So guys, the whole process or concept behind the digital marketing, or what is necessary, is the fact that what you do is you learn something and then you do it. So you learn it and you do it. It's that simple. You've done this so many times in your lives already. For example, tying your shoes, right? You learned how to do it, then you did it. Schoolwork, you had to learn how to do it to begin with, and then you just did it. And driving a car, you learned how to do it, then you did it. And the same with your 9 to 5. I don't care if you have one now or if you've had one in the past. You learned the process, and then you did it. It is that simple. It's not complicated, and you can do this. How about you hit a like and a follow? And if you'd like to know what I do, say, hey, show me.